In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vertical tabs on Google Chrome in 2026. If you like keeping lots of tabs open and want a cleaner, more organized browsing experience, vertical tabs can be a really helpful feature. Instead of having all your tabs squeezed across the top of the browser window, Chrome lets you move them into a sidebar, which can make tab names easier to read and navigation much more convenient. The good news is that Google Chrome natively supports vertical tabs, so you do not need to install an extension or make any advanced changes. There are two simple ways to turn this on, and I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever method feels easiest. The fastest option is to use the tab bar directly. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking at the top of the window where your tabs are displayed. Find any empty space in that top tab bar, then right-click on it. A small menu will appear. In that menu, select Show Tabs vertically. As soon as you click it, Chrome will switch your tabs from the top of the browser to a vertical layout along the side. This is the quickest method, and it's perfect if you just want to turn the feature on right away without digging through settings. If you do not see that option, or if you prefer changing browser features through the settings menu, there's another built-in method. Open Chrome settings, then go to Appearance. In the Appearance section, look for the setting called Tab Strip Position. Once you find it, change the option to Side. That will move your tabs into the vertical tab layout. Using the settings route can be helpful because it also lets you confirm exactly how Chrome is configured, especially if you're adjusting other appearance preferences at the same time. Once vertical tabs are enabled, take a moment to get comfortable with the new layout. It can feel a little different at first, especially if you've always used the traditional horizontal tab bar. But for many people, this setup is easier to manage, particularly when working with a large number of tabs. If you ever want to switch back, you can simply return to the same area, either by right-clicking the tab bar again or by going back to Settings, then Appearance, and changing the tab strip position away from side. That's all it takes to enable vertical tabs on Google Chrome. It's a quick built-in feature, easy to turn on, and a great way to make your browser feel more organized and efficient.